Hey, what's up everybody out there? It's Tom Knotek from MarineMax Sailandski coming to you from the confines of my office. And very interestingly enough, this is the second time I'm doing this video. We had like a power outage type deal and knocked it out. So I love y'all so much. I'm gonna redo it. You know it's gonna be way better on the second attempt here. So here we are. We got a 2022 Harris Cruiser 250. 250, 25 feet is what that's going to stand for. That's the length of the tune. We're going to find out this one's got an extended swim platform with some of the packaging. This one's got the premier trim level. But jumping through coloring first for you. Midnight blue is your main color on this one. It's got that black sapphire accent. I think looks real good with those rub rails that are the black powder coated edition. So this one's real clean with the moonlight gray enhanced. So this one's gonna look real good with that color combo, and it does have the cubby holes and all the power with that enhanced moonlight vinyl. Very soft too. So this one's got the CS layout, and I think it got moved around here, but there it is. So the CS. So this one right here, it's got that bench. This bench does not move, it's fixed. So like the SL layout, you can kind of move that bench, you know, you can face forward, face aft, kind of have a huge single rear facing sun lounger. This one is just going to be a bench. So a little bit more of a value option on the seating, and you get everything else is the same as the SL. So kind of a cool concept, more of a value, cost efficient route. Now this one looks like things with the power outage got knocked around. It's got the 12-foot black bimini. So I'll check that for you. Performance level is actually the performance level 2, so it looks like the power knocked out a couple different things. It looks like the last screen was good, but that'll make sure on a performance level 2 that this is a tri-tune. I know you're not seeing that inside tune on this one, but it'll have 3 tunes. This one will have a gas tank in the back of 37 gallons on what its holding capacity is, and then this one's also gonna have the ski tow bar, and each one of those tunes or logs is going to be 25 inches in diameter. They do make a larger tune. On this one, it's got the 150 4-stroke on it, Mercury best in class. And then options. This one does have the stone gray seagrass. This was the one page that for some reason on this power outage did hold, it looks like. It's got the extended swim platform with the safety railing on this one. So if people are underway, you know, in this back area, you'll have a chain there. You're good to go and be underway with people in the back of the boat. No problems with that. You're within Texas law. Now it's going to have a single battery disconnect switch. It's going to have the quick release system for your fenders. So when you roll up to a dock, you are ready, locked and loaded to go. Dropping those fenders down to the perfect spot, and all your lines are already attached. It's going to have an interior lighting package. That's going to get you the LED seat lighting under the seats, as well as the lighting coming out of the cup holders. This model does not come with a 4-step telescoping stainless steel ladder. Now, this model has it with the packaging though. It's been included. Really important part of this boat. It's got the fence mounted docking lights, which is something standard on the Sunliner. You have to add it on the Cruiser. It's got the upgraded steering wheel as part of a package. It's got the phone charger, wireless, just set it on there, convenient as can be for your valuables. You've got a lockable glove box with a key. You've got the 7-inch Simrad screen, which is great for your instrumentation, your gauge cluster, see exactly what's going on with the mercury in the boat. And then you've got the helm seat is the Ultra Lux, that's a high back. And then this will also have that removable table, basic stereo, removable windscreen. That's how this one's set up. And this is a great boat right here. Great boat for y'all to get on for this winter. It's gonna be nice here in Texas, hopefully. This fall, we're still in it, or spring. Great time to get a boat. If you have any more questions, you can reach out to me at 512-774-0866. And go ahead, like this video if you're liking this content. Leave us a comment or subscribe to the channel if you're looking to get notifications whenever we release a new video. There's other people on here making great videos, walk-arounds, all different types of things. Tom Knotek signing off. Thanks for coming along.